Welcome to Excel Mehta recorded video. For today's topic is familiarity with Excel screen. In case you have any question or if you want to become member of Excel Learning WhatsApp group, please send me message on +91 98 252 31592. Let's start the lesson. We'll go to Excel screen. Now today we will be making you familiar with what are the different parts of Excel screen and what work can be done with each part of the screen. Now first part at the top is the title bar. In this title bar it shows name of file which is open and the location where it is open. In my case I have saved it to OneDrive. Then it is showing here name of user. And this button is ribbon display option button. I can click here and click on show tabs. It will show only tabs of the ribbon. Ribbon has gone. Now I can again select show tabs and commands. So the commands or buttons in the ribbon are also visible here. Now, using this ribbon, you can do different work. For example, I want to make all this content bold. I can click here with the mouse on this cell and then click on bold. Everything will become bold. I want to increase the size of this cell, text in this cell. I can click here on down arrow and select here whatever size I want, and the size will be increased here. Similarly, there is one another useful, some more useful ribbons will show you. This file ribbon has got important option of opening new file and saving copy of the file. Once you have gone here, if you want to go back, you have to click escape button on the keyboard. Another useful option or the ribbon is help. After clicking on help, once again you have to click on this help and you will see here list of all topic. By using this down arrow, you can move down and read all those topics, or alternatively if you want to search a particular topic, you can type here INSERTING. Say you want to see how to insert column. So you have entered inserting column and you can click on it. It will show all the topic which are relating to that words entered and you can read it. There may be multiple topic. In that case, you can select any one topic and read it. To close this help, again, you can click here on this close button. One another useful button is this search. Actually here, this button is also called tell me button and it does whatever we tell him to do. For example, I want to insert a row. I am typing here insert row and I am pressing enter. One blank row has been inserted here. So if some particular command is not known to you or you don't know in this ribbon where it is located, you can try in this search box or tell me box. The next option will click here home, so ribbon will be properly usable. And now the next is quick access toolbar. This will not be visible on your screen here mostly because by default it is shown at the top, and there is an option. We can select that option to show it above ribbon. And now this quick access toolbar has gone here. In your case, it will not have all this button because these buttons have been added by me. In a separate video, we have already shown you how to add and remove button in the quick access toolbar. Right now, again, if you want to show it below ribbon, you can click it here. The second part of quick access toolbar has come. Again, at the end, you have to click and then click on show below ribbon, and it has come back here. Next part of screen is this cell address, or what they call name book. The Excel sheet is consisting of different cells, which is again at the intersection of rows and columns. This is column C. This is row 3. Row number 3 number is shown here. So here if I click, this cell is called C3, and that C3 is written here. The next part is, this is called formula bar. Actually, it is a data entry area. Here you can click and enter any data. Let's say I am entering my name. After this, I can click on tick, so it will be entered. If I want to change, again I can select this and press delete. And now this time I want to enter my surname Mehta. I will type Mehta. And if I don't want to enter it here, I can click on cross button and it will be gone. See, it has gone and previous thing has come back. Now here, let's say I want to enter something else, XYZ. And if I press enter sign, it will be entered there and cell will move to next. Now I am in row number 4. I can press up arrow to see row number 3. It has become very big because we had increased the size. And so the pressing enter after entering characters here will move the cursor to next cell below, and the data entered will be recorded in that cell. The next part of this screen is this minimize, resize and close button, which are Windows button. You may be already knowing, but I'll show you. If we click on minimize button, Excel will not be closed, but it will be here. It will be minimized. If I click it here, it will get again maximize. The another button is resize button. By clicking here, your Excel window size will be small. You can increase the size by dragging its 4 edges. And you can click on this button again to maximize it. And finally, this is the close button. If we click here, the Excel will be closed. Before that, we should save by clicking on save button. Or we can go here and in this particular case, file is saved automatically. So we can save if we want to a different copy. Right now, I'll not close it because we'll continue to work here. Here, there is a sheet tab. I can go to another sheet by clicking on the sheet tab. This is second sheet. This is familiarity with screen sheet. I can add a sheet here by clicking on plus sign. So third sheet has come up. I can change name of sheet by right clicking and change rename. and type whatever name I want to give. Let me give training as the name, training, and I am pressing enter so that that name is assigned to the tab. On the right hand side here at bottom, there is a scroll bar. Let's go to familiarity with screen sheet so that you can see scrolling. Now I can bring the mouse pointer here, press the button, and then move it, or what is called dragging, to move the sheet left or right. I can also do the same by clicking on this triangle. Clicking here will move it to one column at a time. Similarly, there is vertical scroll bar. I can move, press the mouse button and then drag it up or down. Or I can click on up arrow to go up or down arrow to go down. Finally, here there is a view option. You can remain in normal view. This is normal view button. This is print view button, how page will appear at the time of printing. This makes text very small, so you may find it difficult to read, but you will find it more easy to understand what will be printed on which page. This one is page view, but again it is in normal size, so you will be able to read the things here. You can go here up and see page header also. And this is normal view. We suggest you work in normal view so long as you are beginner. Once you are familiar with Excel and you start learning how to print Excel, at that time this view should be used. Lastly, there is a zoom button. You can click on plus sign and your character shown in this Excel sheet, their size will increase. If you click on minus sign here, the size will reduce. You can also hold this notch in the between and move it right or left to increase the size or reduce the size. With this, we have explained different element of Excel screen. We will stop our training here. Before that, once again, I'll show you my contact detail. You can contact me or send me message to become member of Excel Learning WhatsApp group. Thank you and bye.